Want me nice, pretty, clean skin people? Alright, if I'm gonna see the background, you know, say it's a tutorial I come through, you know, tutorial. So, I have a bad makeup for now. You can wear this Christmas, New Year, Valentine's, birthday, granny birthday, mommy birthday. You can wear it for all the occasions. Me I give you the business look. Stay tuned for that. First, we're gonna start with the eyebrow. And no matter what color hair you have, black. Get your black pencil, black eyebrow pencil. Because I have in red hair, pink hair, number 2. It no matter. Get you a black this, black this. Okay. Man, I already got the spoolie. See the spoolie. So you go so. You go like so. And comb them. You comb them first like so. Yeah, I got my mirror. Yep. Me a tutorialist. Me a makeup artist. So after that we're gonna draw the eyebrow. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this. Me are going to the take man. Not just take man, me are going to the take over man eyebrow. So you go like us so. Them party have to hold everything. You can't too talk. You have to... And then you go up so. You go up so. And come down so. See that? I go up so and come down so. I mean business. You know so them not to play with you. Yeah, you come to take man. So you're fully in it. You're fully in it. Make it black. But them know say you're dark, you come to take man. Yeah. Yeah. So you're fully in it, so. Fully in, yeah. 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 So I'm gonna do the other one. Oh, me a black one, no, sorry. Okay. Remember, say you have to hold everything now. And you go so. And go up with it. Go up like a mountain and come down back. Yeah. And you know the camping tent there? Hey, ask your grandfather. Yeah, go up with it, come down. Go up with it, come down. Camping tent. Full out. Make it black. Full out. Black. So them know say business. Them can't play with you. Yeah. You got the business eyebrow on. Come. So now you just so brush out. Make it fade away. Brush out. Yeah. Them can't. I don't know my purpose. I don't know I'm come about. Look at it. I don't know I'm come about. Business. Oh my God! Wow! So now, you highlight, and you know, say when you highlight, you have to highlight to the God, you have to make them see you. Say, yeah, the girl, they see him there. Come hide your man. Sure. I don't know what I'm come about. Highlight the eyebrow, make sure so you get one highlight with a far for your complexion. Right. Yeah. Come now. So draw out it. Draw out the eyebrow. Make sure you say yeah. Make sure you say I saw you look, you know. And know so you come to take man.
Stop it. Get some help.
Bah! Get talk to you. I come to take all of the man them. Now left one. Bam! Bam! Next one now. I get them a sorry phone or Christmas. I say I need new ear, new clothes, new everything. So me I come for take on man. Talk to me. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? Then I do up a tap now. Make them see the mountain say, I come with my chest high.
Oh my God!
Bam! Bam! I come for take all of the man them. Me nah left none. Me nah left none.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
So you don't need for the nothing more. You don't need no foundation. You don't need nothing. But if you did put on one foundation, you get one foundation brighter than your face. Bright.
Jesus Christ.
Let them see you from far. You just stop pitch like the sun up on them face. So now, we do a little eyeliner.
Okay.
We draw one wing. Cause fly we a fly come take the man them, you know. Fly we a fly come, you better know that. So you draw the wing, go meet the eyebrow. Boom. Pop pop. Yeah. Come back so now. Yeah. Yeah, full out it. Full out it. Can't talk to me. Play this at this term. So you know. So you see it, carry go meet you. Whoosh! You know, so we come meet, we mean business.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here!
Yeah. Come to take the man them. And when I left without them, boom. Boom bad. Bam. Full outy. And we come to take all of the man them and when I left one fly, we fly come and I see the wing. You see the wing? Fly, we fly come. So now I put on one lipstick will match your clothes.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
So you see if you have on pink clothes, a pink lipstick. If you have on red clothes, a red lipstick. If you have on black clothes, a black lipstick. So you'll find the blackest eyeliner to eyeliner your mouth. Eyeliner your mouth. And you draw one heart, you go overline. Yeah. You look good. Man, them can't resist you with this. That look here? Can't resist.
Okay.
So you come so now. They know so you come for love. So you make the love. Yeah. I can't talk to you. Yeah. But them know say you come for love. And I bring no hate.
Boy, if you
See it there? See it there? And the love lip. She said them fall in love. Fall in love with the body there. Red clothes, red lipstick. So you just go red uppy, enough.
Come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this. Oh my God.
Take man, look this, take man. Me I guarantee you say, you gonna get man with that look here. All of the man them I go want you.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Wow. One thing left and highlight to the gods.
Stop it. Get some help.
Cause I come to take man. Brush and them something they outdated. 2020 we don't use brush anymore, we use fingers and toes. Highlight, where highlight? Talk to me, me not look good.
Hey, ask your grandfather.
So. And the Cupid's bow. We they go get man, oh, we they go get man. We have to forget one thing, the color over the eye.
Oh my God! Wow!
Not to forget the color. And know say your life brighter, happy and nice. So they will come. Yeah, as me say brush outdated, you just use your finger. You don't need a brush. Brush can't do nothing for you again, my love. Finger.
No. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
Yeah. 2020 take man look. 2020 take man look.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Me I guarantee you say. You have to get man. Nobody can stop you. Your flow just a flow like a river. That cloud. Put the cloud some blush too. Yeah. To them say, me make sure blush. Yes, baby, you make me a blush. And the look is final.
Oh my God! Wow!
This is the final look. I guarantee you say, any man you look pan, you make eye contact with, just look on them so. And you get them. This is the Christmas tech man look.
No. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
Christmas are come, you need things. Go get the man, girl. Go get the man. Over and out. This is gummy bear. Gummy bear, over and out. Catch you in the next scene.